Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Facebook on laptop or PC and provide two different ways. So at first open your any browser, like I'm open my Chrome browser. Go to search option, search set to facebook.com. Okay. And you need to just log in your Facebook account. Press on to plus option. Press on to add shortcut. Okay, and just copy this link, enter copied URL and write name to Facebook. Press on done. Okay, now successfully at Facebook. I'm just press on to directly go Facebook. Or if you want to install Facebook using another way, like open your any browser and log in your Facebook account. I'm just open my Facebook account. Follow the top right corner, press on three dot. As you can see, showing it to this option. Just select and showing it to install Facebook. Press on to install. Okay, now successfully install Facebook. As you can see, just open from here. So that's it.